છે. આગળ વધીએ, આપણી સાથે BEML मैनेजमेंट जोड़ाई चुक्या है कंपनी CMD MV राजाशेखर. सर, शुक्रिया मेरे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. गुड आफ्टरनून. सबसे पहले शुरुआत में डिमांड एनवायरनमेंट से करना चाह रही थी. जिस तरीके से रेवेन्यूज के अंदर हम लोग अपटिक देख रहे हैं, चीजें किस तरीके से शेप अप हो रही है ऑर्डर बुक के लिहाज से, क्या फिगर्स है आप मेरे साथ अगर शेयर कर पाए, एग्जीक्यूशन का पेस किस तरीके से बढ़ते हुए दिख रहा है, ये क्वार्टर की हाइलाइट्स इसके रिलेटेड अगर आप मेरे साथ शेयर कर पाए तो.
See, now, just want to touch upon the sales of the last year, right? 2020-21, if you have seen, if you observed our financial the performance, what we did in the first 9 months, we doubled in the 3 months. That means in one quarter, we could do 1,775 crores, while we did 1,775 crores in the first 9 months. So this, in the history of BEML, this is the best quarter. We never did so much. At the same time, by year end, what we did, 3,557 crores of turnover is also BEML's record, highest ever. This in spite of the fact that 1.5 months time we lost in the beginning of the year, that up to middle of the May. Then in the next 10.5 months, the teams have recovered and it was delivered. So much has been delivered. Now, how the situation looks for this next year, 2021-22 and 22-23. The order book question is robust. Again, it's an all-time I have 11,300 crores. Agar breakup देखा जाए तो 4,500 crores in defense, 5,000 crores in rail and metro, and 1,700 crores in mining and construction. So out of this 11,300 crores, 4,300 crores is executable this year. इसके बाद another 2,000 crores of orders is guaranteed during this year from all the 3 business verticals. So that means for this year and next year, by December time, we will have orders, sufficient orders to run the business for minimum 3 years. I mean, this year, that next year, and the next year. So that's our outlook. And particularly if you look at rail and metro, the things are very good. We are looking for opportunities in rail grinding machines, suburban trains, and further metro trains in Chennai and Bangalore and Delhi. And if you look at mining construction, there's a big demand for high-end equipments and electrical equipments. And then we are already developed and we already supplied, and we are in a big way into high-end equipments. And if you look at defense, there are many, many products that are coming up. I think recently MOD has come up with a negative list of 108 equipments again, where import should not be in progressive way. The import have to be banned for these equipments. So when we look at these products can be developed by us in the next 2 to 3 years. We can easily look for a turnover of around 300 to 400 crores for these equipments alone, what MOD is identified under negative list. So things are looking very good. The outlook is very good. And yes, there should not be any lack of orders for the business for the next 3 years, including this year.
अग्रीड सर. ग्रोथ कौन से सेगमेंट से आता हुआ सबसे ज्यादा दिख रहा है, ये ब्रेकअप आप मेरे साथ अगर शेयर कर पाएं इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट वाइज भी, और साथ ही मेट्रोज और जो कंस्ट्रक्शन डिफेंस के अंदर हम लोग पिकअप आते हुए देख रहे हैं, किस तरीके से माइनिंग एक्टिविटीज भी कामकाज कर रही हैं, एक ओवरऑल आइडिया इन सबके ऊपर अगर आप मुझे दे पाएं.
Definitely. The good thing is that all 3 business verticals, I think, we are in 3 business verticals: mining and construction, defense and aerospace, and rail and metro. All verticals have seen the growth. Okay, mining construction, of course, at 16%, defense at 16%, and rail and metro at 23%. Slightly higher compared to that. So average growth is 17%, but we have good growth in all the 3 business verticals. So basically, if you look at rail and metro, we have prepared the trains, but there were delays in getting the inspection clearance for these trains. In the February-March month time, Railway Board, the RDSO, RITES, they went all the way in giving the clearances. The wonderful job they have done along with the team BEML. The complete production of the trains, what we did, we could complete by March month and we could convert them into sales. So that is a big factor, actually. That's why we could add almost 800 crores of turnover from rail and metro alone in the last quarter, attributable to the clearance of the MEMU trains.
अग्रीड सर। इन टर्म्स ऑफ इनपुट कॉस्ट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी हम लोग एक शार्प अप मूव देख रहे हैं, नियरली 122% का राइज। इसके रीजंस क्या थे? एक फैक्टर जो मैं ठीक समझ रही हूँ वो शायद इन्वेंट्रीज होगा, लेकिन उसके अलावा स्टेबलाइजेशन किस तरीके से Q1 में वापस आता हुआ दिख रहा है, एग्जीक्यूशन पेसअप, जो लेबर इश्यूज हम लोगों ने पिछले क्वार्टर्स में देखे हैं उसके बाद किस तरीके से दिख रहे हैं, ये ग्राउंड लेवल सिचुएशन अगर आप मुझे बता पाएं।
No, there are absolutely no labor issues. It is totally calm. Uh, there are no labor issues at all in throughout organization, all our regional offices, marketing offices. Now I talk about this 120% what you are telling. See, what happened was this year, uh, as I told you, 1,775 crores we have sold in the 1 year, in the 1 quarter. Most of the sales happened from the production, what we produce up to 3rd quarter production. So most of the 3rd quarter production has been completely consumed. It never happens like this. That's why you're seeing that that 1 to 2% drop, because the sales are so high in the last quarter, production was not up to that level. So therefore, a lot of FGA and WIP, work in progress, and finished good inventory was consumed. That's why the drop has happened. So that is only for the 1 quarter. It gets stabilized. In the next 2-3 quarters, it gets stabilized. But if you look at profitability wise, normally it picks up during 3rd quarter. First 2 quarters, the sales will not be to the full extent. And 3rd quarter and 4th quarter really will pick up. And of course, by that time, I am sure that COVID pandemic situation also will really ease down and things really will look up. The profitability, everything will look up from 3rd quarter onwards. And I'm sure this year it will be much better than last year.
अग्रीड सर। और डिफेंस इंपोर्ट कब लिस्ट के बारे में जो आप बातचीत कर रहे थे, फर्स्ट लिस्ट के बेनिफिट्स किस तरीके से शेप अप हुए थे, और ये सेकंड लिस्ट के बाद कितना क्वांटम, कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन अप आप होते हुए देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि डोमेस्टिक कंपनीज इसका एक बेनिफिट देख रही है, और साथ ही इन टर्म्स ऑफ माइनिंग उसमें मार्केट शेयर किस तरीके से आप आगे बढ़ते हुए देख रहे हैं?
See, if you look at mining and construction sector, like we are dominant player in mining equipments, but not in the construction equipments. Mining equipments, we are the dominant players for the dozers and the dumpers. In the metro, we are the dominant players. 47% of the metro trains that are running in India are made in our factories. 47%. That means almost you can say half of the metro trains running in India were made in our factory complexes here in Bangalore. And in defense, of course, now we are picking up, and we exactly cannot say who is the dominant player in defense right now.
अग्रीड सर। इन टर्म्स ऑफ डाइवेस्टमेंट, उसके अपडेट टाइमलाइंस कुछ मेरे साथ शेयर कर पाएं अगर आप?
Yeah, the government of India is looking for a divestment plan of completing the task of divestment of BML by end of this production year. So I think you all know that government has invited expressions of interest for BML, and now it is the 2nd stage. So security clearance is being obtained for the bidders who have given this the expressions of interest. So once security clearance is obtained, they'll be asked to give the financial bid. So whoever gives the bids higher, company will be transferred to them with all your regular transactions and all that. So we are expecting to take 9 to 10 months time. But yes, government is definitely looking to complete the job by end of this financial year.
अग्रीड सर। इन टर्म्स ऑफ जो रेवेन्यू गाइडेंस आप FY22 के लिए लेकर चल रहे हैं, क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूं मैं?
22, again, we are expecting definitely a growth of 15% again for this year. Last time the growth was 17%, and this year also we are expecting a growth of 15% definitely. And 4,000 crores plus is definite, I'm sure. Last time, first time we breached 3,500 crores mark, and this time definitely we'll be breaching the 4,000 crore mark. First time in BML's history, we'll be breaching the mark.
एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेट, वो कितना इंप्रूव होता हुआ देख पाएंगे हम लोग?
Yeah, debt situation last there is a slight debt has increased because of the COVID situation. There were collections were slightly dull from the customers, and then sales have increased a lot. We have to buy a lot of materials in quick time. We have to buy the materials. Therefore, slightly debt has increased. So situation will be same for the next maybe 1 quarter, first quarter, and maybe half of the first quarter. Once the sales pick up and we again the collection cycle start, and that burden should come down. Otherwise, it will be under control. I think It's not bad now. It's under control, definitely. But it has increased compared to last year. That's all. So by second quarter, end of second quarter, it will be good.